Hey guys, let's talk about the 15 tools that you can learn to become Azure Data Scientist. So first tool we are having Azure Machine Learning that can be used for building, deploying and managing machine learning models. Next tool we are having Azure Databricks. This tool can be used for collaborative data engineering, machine learning and analytics. Third tool we are having Azure Synapse Analytics, which was formerly known as SQL Data Warehousing. So this tool can be used for big data integration and analytics. Next tool we are having Azure Data Factory that can be used for data integration and workflow management. Next tool we are having Power BI. This tool can be used for data visualization and business intelligence. Next tool we are having Azure Stream Analytics. This tool can be used for real-time data stream processing. Next tool we are having Azure Cosmos DB. This tool can be used for globally distributed multimodal databases. Next tool we are having Azure Blob storage. This tool can be used for scalable and structured data storage. Next tool we are talking about Azure Data Lake Storage. This tool can be used for big data storage and analytics. 10th tool we are having Azure Cognitive Services. This tool can be used for adding AI capabilities to your application. Next tool we are having Azure Time Series Insights. This tool can be used for time series data analysis and visualization. 12th tool we are having Azure Cognitive Search. This tool can be used for adding search capabilities to your application. 13th tool we are having Azure Machine Learning Studio. This tool can be used for building and deploying machine learning model using drag and drop interface. 14th tool we are having Azure Key Vault. This tool can be used for secure storage of your keys and secrets like passwords. Last tool we are having Azure DevOps. So this tool can be used for collaborative development and deployment of data science project. I hope you find this video helpful. These are just a short description of these tools. In upcoming video, you will see the detailed explanation and how these tools work. So see you in next video. Stay tuned for more learning.